Hey all you lean maniacs up in Canada, it's Paul Akers, and guess what? Only a few months away, June 5th is a CME conference, and I'm going to come up there and give a keynote presentation, and I can't wait to meet all of you, because there's a lot of great enthusiasts up in Canada, people that really get it, understand the power of building a dynamic culture. I'm only 1 minute away from my company, FastCap, and I love going to work. You know why? Because I spend all my time on the Gemba, working with my people, helping them improve their work, making work easier. This is what it's all about. This is what a CEO should be doing, not locked away in an office waiting for an appointment, going through a schedule and a list of people to come meet them. No, go to the Gemba, and that's where I go, and that's what I love about my company is my people are on fire for lean. They're constantly making improvements. They're constantly adding value for the customer, and this is what I'm going to be talking about, how to build that dynamic culture. But for now, I'm at FastCap, and I got to go to the Gemba. See you soon, June 5th, CME, Winnipeg, Canada.